In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Proton Mail encryption. Proton Mail is a secure email service that offers end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your emails remain private and secure. Activating encryption is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by navigating to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Proton Mail login page. Once there, log in with your credentials to access your inbox. If you're new to Proton Mail, you'll need to set up an account first, which involves choosing a username and password and possibly setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox. From here, let's move to composing a new email. Look for the New Message button, usually located at the top or side of your screen, and click it. This will open up a new email composition window where you can draft your message. Now, as you look at the email composition window, direct your attention to the bottom part of this window. Here, you'll notice a series of icons that offer different functionalities for your email. Among these icons, look for a lock icon, which is generally positioned next to the delete icon. This lock icon is crucial as it's your gateway to encrypting your email. Click on the lock icon and you'll see an option labeled Encrypt Message. Selecting this option will activate the encryption feature for your email. Once you've clicked it, Proton Mail will prompt you to set a password for the encrypted message. This password is important because the recipient will need it to decrypt and read your email. Choose a strong password that's difficult to guess, but easy enough for you to remember. You might also want to communicate this password to your recipient through a secure method, ensuring they can access your message. After setting the password, you can go ahead and finish composing your email. Once you're satisfied with your message, you can hit the Send button. Your email is now encrypted, and only the intended recipient with the correct password will be able to read its contents. That's it! You've successfully activated Proton Mail encryption for your email. This feature is an excellent way to ensure your communications remain private and secure from any prying eyes. Remember, using encryption is a proactive step in maintaining your digital privacy, and it's great to see you taking charge of your online security. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.